Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make dill pickle oyster crackers. A friend of mine posted on Facebook a recipe for dill pickle saltine crackers, and I saw it and I immediately wanted to make it. So thank you, Odessa. We got to talking about it and how much I wanted to make the recipe, and then she mentioned oyster crackers, and I was like, I really want to make that instead. I found a recipe for dill pickle oyster crackers, but I want to do my own thing. So come on guys with me on this journey and see how it turns out. This recipe is derived from Sweeter with Sugar's recipe. Go check them out. Shout out to them. And here's what you're going to need for this recipe. 9 ounces of soup and oyster crackers. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of dill weed. Ugh. And a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And 3 tablespoons of dill pickle juice. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees and then dump those crackers in a bowl. Next, in a separate bowl, mix all your ingredients together and then slather it all over those crackers. After making sure they're all coated, spread them out over a baking sheet and then throw them in the oven for 20 minutes, and after that they should come out looking like this. Alrighty, now for the taste test. These smell like dill pickles. Tasting better. To be honest with you, even though I put in more of the pickle juice, I'm still not tasting. It smells like them. My kitchen smelled like them while they were baking. Some of them ain't so crunchy anymore, like crunchy at all, but that's because, you know, I put a bunch of liquid over them. Some of them are still crunchy, but I mean, I don't think I would make these again. I was really excited to make them, but I'm really not tasting the pickles. I mean, of course you're not really going to taste pickles because, you know, pickles are soaked in that brine. These are just coated in it and then baked in it. So, I mean, it's going to bake off. But, like, you'd think that you'd get some of that tanginess from, like, the vinegar. The tardiness, you know. But I'm mostly just tasting, like, kind of buttery, you know. But I was excited, too. I was going to put these in tomato soup. I love having crackers in my tomato soup. Whenever I was a kid, I would eat my tomato soup with oyster crackers or saltine crackers with peanut butter sandwiches. Now that I'm an adult, I figured out that you should use goldfish crackers. That's where it's at. Man, I was really excited, but I mean, they don't really taste bad. If you want some buttery crackers, I mean, but that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say and just have fun with it. If you're going to play lacrosse, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a scientist, just have fun with it. Especially if you're going to be a rocket scientist. Also, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit the little bell for notifications. That way, whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please. Because the more you do that, the more you tell YouTube that this video is awesome. Everything you do on YouTube, on someone's video, you're giving your opinion. If you don't like a video, then you're telling YouTube that this video sucks, even if you liked it. So, thumbs up, share, and comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.